Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're facing an issue with a yellow border on your computer screen and are looking for solutions, then watch this video. The first solution is to check if a screen recording software is on, and if it is, then we need to turn it off. This could be any software like Lightshot, GreenShot, any screen recording software. So how we turn it off is we look for Task Manager, we click on it, and we look for the screen recording software like Lightshot, and we right click on it and end task. Then we go to startup window here and we need to disable it. So if screenshot is here, then Lightshot is here, then I will disable it. Then this issue should vanish. The next thing I need to do is I need to restart the system in clean boot configuration. This is to find out if any third party apps are causing this issue. So how I will clean boot is I will search for system configuration and click on the services tab. Now, a word of caution here folks, before you disable any of the services here, you need to click on this box, check this box, hide all Microsoft services, so as to enable your computer to restart. And I say this because if you do not hide Microsoft services and disable the Microsoft services, your computer will fail to restart. So we'll click the third party services, all the third party services, and we'll disable them. Click on apply, OK, and we'll restart the computer and this problem should disappear. If it doesn't, then we need to check if the narrator and contrast themes are on. We'll right click on start, settings, and click on accessibility. So you can see here contrast themes. We have to click on the drop down box and click on none, and again go to accessibility, narrator, and we need to make sure that the narrator is switched off. Now another option is to update the graphics card drivers. So how we will do that is we need to look for device manager, and here we need to go to display adapters. Here's the graphic card driver. We will update the driver by clicking update driver. If an update graphics driver doesn't solve the yellow screen issue, then we need to reinstall the driver. So how we will do that is we will right click here, uninstall device. Once the device is uninstalled, we will right click on display adapters, click on scan for hardware changes, and it should automatically update and reinstall the graphics drivers. Now the other solution is to update Windows itself. So we will right click on start, click on settings, click on Windows update, and click on check for updates. And while that's going on, we'll go to advanced updates, optional updates, and if there are any updates available here, then we'll install them. The final solution is to disable tools, the screen recording tools like Lightshot, GreenShot, and that will solve the yellow border issue on your screen. If this video helped, then please subscribe and have a great day.